The Particl Project had its development meetup by Port Elizabeth in South Africa this November 2018. Here, the team came together to meet and discuss upcoming initiatives, timelines, and expectations for the amazing projects that they have been working on together while located around the world. Unfortunately, all the devs and most of the team are pretty private, so I'll be accompanying this video with some very generic footage. Here are a few highlights that you can also read about later in the community update provided by CryptoGuard. One major thing is that Technovert is going to be focusing on RingCT and the Lightning Network, as well as sidechains. The sidechains in particular will allow for experimentation for new features that the team might want to see on the core, all of Particl, or on the marketplace. There is no set timeline for these features as usual. One specific thing to look forward to is that there will be a light beta release of the marketplace coming soon, but it won't have privacy on it. However, for the next year, 2019, hopefully in the first quarter, then we'll have the full mainnet release of the beta with full privacy in it. So there will be 3 to 4 weeks of testing of the light beta, and then there will be the mainnet beta release. Looking at some more structural and organizational plans, the dev team plans to have 2 different releases whenever they have an update. One will be stable and for the community that will probably be updated once a month or some time frame yet, they haven't decided yet. And then there will be another less stable release that is for active testing and development. This is similar to what I've seen some projects do, like Chrome. They have like a Chrome Canary and they have the Chrome more stable version. There will also be some code refactoring going on, so there will be the same features, but the code is just being updated in the backend to make it more efficient. They also plan to focus on one task at one time, because if you look at the status report right now on the website, you will notice that there are multiple things being worked on simultaneously. And that's great, but that results in nothing really being released very frequently because so many things are being worked on at one time. So they plan to focus on one specific feature and you'll have more to look forward to more frequently. There may also be a messaging system for the marketplace where messages will be pre-recorded or pre-written so that vendors can't potentially blackmail buyers by saying, if you don't send me 10 Particl, I won't release your shipping, for example, things like that. They are also thinking of doing IPFS, that's Interplanetary File System integration, for the database. That will allow listing images to be smaller and take up less space, but also be of higher quality. They are also planning on having a native Bitcoin gateway on the marketplace. This, as well as the IPFS idea, are both going to be post-beta, and these are all tentative ideas, and they're going to come later in the future. Please keep that in mind and don't put too much pressure on the dev team. They're working really hard to bring us a great product. Again, you can find out more information in the community updates provided by CryptoGuard. That's my update, guys. I'm getting ready to go home after this delightful trip where I met a lot of the devs and got to meet the team and got to meet my communications team, which I've never actually met them in person before. So it's very exciting. This project is awesome, as you all know, care about privacy, a lot of innovation. A lot of the devs were also meeting each other for the very first time as well. It was a great thing to have everyone meet here, and we have a lot to look forward to. This is Desi-Rae from Cryptoramble saying my goodbyes. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and follow me on Twitter at Cryptoramble.